This is the 2 Ana coin. This is very rare coin, rare Indian currency. So before that, let's start the video. These are my some of the coin collections, Indian currencies. So I'll show you each and every coin from the starting from RS10. So it's RS10 coin at first. This is the coin of 1935 or 2010. It is rare coin because it's made for Reserve Bank of India. The look is like that. You can see, check it out. Every coin is made by Reserve Bank of India, but it has different shape and different looks. That's what I meant to say. And look at this coin. It's quite different than the previous coin. You can see the design pattern in the coin, which is quite unique and different. So another coin, see, it is made for Sri Ma Vaishno Devi Srine board. So this is quite unique and special because it's made for specific purposes and it's rare coin. So there is another coin which is also unique and rare because of its simplicity or design. I was in India and I collected it there. Okay, so another coin. This is 5 rupees coin. You can see from its design, it looks like a robot shaped or something like that. It's for ONGC. I guess it's celebrating India on something like oil or gas, something like that. I hope so. Now for the RS5 coin, it was made in 2012. It looks old because it's old, but see the some pieces of different coins of RS5 that I have. This another is very thick. The previous one was thin, but this is thick, and this is in between the middle. But check, every coin has different types of written, and this middle coin, see, there is a lion, and it was like that 10 rupees coin which has written Reserve Bank of India. Similar letter has been written here. So this is another, it's the thickest, I guess. It was made in 2000, and this is also RS 5 rupees coin. This one is yellow color, it's different. It's also 5 rupees coin. See the symbol, and the back side there is Nehru. It's made for Nehru Jayanti, 150th Nehru Jayanti. That was made for 150th Nehru Jayanti. So see other coins, RS5. This one is for civil aviation. This one is made for only for civil aviation, and this is 2001 coins. It's also very thick. So there are very different types of RS5 coins. There are different varieties. So I would like to bring them all at once for your purpose. Wait, just check this coin, and then this shining coin. You look at it, it's very shiny. This one is made for Chanakya, in the memory of Chanakya, this one coin. And another civil aviation India. Okay, different in Reserve Bank of India. Look at the pattern in the back side of these coins. These all are 5 rupees coins, but they look so different and they look so rare. See the Nehru, see this one ONGC, and there is written 50 or something like that. Maybe they are celebrating 50 years. 5 rupees, 5 rupees, different shape, size and thickness, color, pattern, design. They differ in every way possible, but these are all rupees 5 coins. See, this has flower like design, which was in RS10 also. So this is 5 rupees, which is look similar to that bottom one, but it's very a little bit different, not very much, a bit different. So these are different coins, 5 rupees coins collection that I have, and I have other ones too. Keep checking it, guys. 5 rupees coin, yes, see. Now for RS2 coin, 2 rupees, given shown in 2 finger. Okay, but look at how they differ. Satyamev Jayate, there is written in backside with the national emblem of India, something like symbol or emblem, something like that. I can't pronounce that really. And look at the pattern design in all the RS 2 rupees coins. So, map of India in one of them. So these are unique coins and they represent unique time and dates and unique symbols. Look at that pattern. Looks like Norway or Finland somewhere. Flag. Looks like flag of Norway, Finland, something like that. That pattern. But I don't know. It's made for RS 2 rupees and it's Indian coin. That's for sure. But look at the Rashtriya Ekata, International National what's written there? The word is very misplaced. I can't really read it. Okay, now RS 2 rupees coin is done. Next coin, RS 1 rupees coin. These are few RS 1 rupees coin that I have. Check. Similar hand like RS 2 rupees but shown one finger to prove that it's one, but it's shown middle finger. No, thumb finger. Sorry for saying middle finger. Thumb finger. Check, these are the different 1 rupees coin that I have. Look at this one. This one is very small in size, but others are quite similar in size. I could find these rares and different coins. However, I may search, but this one looks a bit disoriented or misplaced. Maybe because it's very old coins. Nowadays we can rarely find these coins because what can we get for 1 rupees like that? So coins are very getting rare. So 1 rupees coin, these are all I have. Now check for 50 paisa. 50 paisa, or it's half of the 1 rupee. So I have 2 50 paisa coin and one 2 25 paisa coin. That's 25 paisa. That looks half of 50 paisa. It has rhinoceros, which is found very rare rhino. You can find it in Nepal and India only. That's on the back side of the coin. So now for 20 paisa, look at this lotus. I think it's national flower of India or something like that, and backside is national symbol of India, and Mahatma Gandhi is on the another coin. So these are the different types of 20 paisa coin that I have. Okay, check it clearly. 20 paisa with flower, lotus flower, and 20 paisa with Mahatma Gandhi, and backside same national emblem. Okay, national emblem or national symbol. These are 10 paisa coin. Look at the size and shapes. One is circular but others have unique characteristic shapes, and two coins looks like the other two coins are same but different. Another one is very different because it looks like copper. Now 5 paisa coin. 5 paisa coin, they have same shape. They may differ in color but they are same in size, their shape. So check this. This 5 rupees coin, 2 5 rupees coin looks like metal, one looks like very much metal, that's why it's get rusted too much. But that another one, it's just like other 10 and 25 paisa coin, so it's very different. So after 5 paisa, look at 2 paisa. These are all the 2 paisa coin that I have. Okay, they all have same shape, same shape, size. These are the ones that I have collected. 2 paisa, you can find it nowadays because you can buy anything for 2 paisa nowadays. So it's very rare coin. Now 1 paisa. These are the 1 paisa. Okay, check it out. 1 paisa are also very rare, much rarer than the 2 paisa. See how small these coins are, and it's rupaye ka sawa bhag is written on there. Rupayo ka sawa bhag. See, okay, it was made in 1957, so it's very old and rare coin. Now what you have been waiting for, the last coin, 2 ana. This is the rarest. 1947. It is written 2 ana, not rupee, not paisa, 2 ana. The upper part is written in Arabic or Urdu, and others in written in English. and it has unique shape, unique character, unique pattern, unique design, unique look. It was made during George VI King Emperor. It was during those time when India was ruled by British or something like this, because these coins are very rare to find. There is written of George VI King Emperor, and on the front side it is written India. So that's the uniqueness in this coin. It's very rare coin. I think it's very much valuable in today's time period, and you can actually find this coin nowadays, because it's written nobody writes to annas in today's time. So it's very rare and unique coin. If you have something like that, please comment down below and please subscribe to the channel.